And you're back. What happened? When you talk to me, what happened? What happened? Stop crying now. Talk to me, what happened? What are you saying? And you are even with your man. What happened? Talk to me, what happened now?
I'm pregnant.
Again, what did you just say?
I said I'm pregnant.
Hey! Praise the Lord! You mean you are pregnant? For me? And you are crying? Hey! Don't you know what you just did now? You just made me a father. And you are here crying.
I'm telling you that my auntie chased me from the house because I'm pregnant. And you are here dancing.
That is not why you should cry now. You see this house is yours. Why are you, all this crying you are crying now? I don't like it. Look at it, you don't know that this is a good news. That we'll just go and celebrate. Don't you know what you just did now? You just made me happy.
You did that celebration, let's go and see my auntie.
See your auntie, what? How will we go and see your auntie? Auntie is no more in this case now. See, what will happen now? We'll go and see your parents. First thing tomorrow, we'll go and see your parents. And so that I'll pay your bride price and I'll marry you.
So then the mom that is at home.
I'm forgetting that your daddy is late. But no problem, sir. I will gather my kindred so that I will go and see your own kindred at least. Okay, well, I'm sorry for that. Well, you have made me happy now. Come inside now. How do you imagine? Tomorrow morning we'll go and see your people. And is that why you are crying? You want to just carry your bag, go inside, relax. Stop crying. You are crying, sir.